Is your iPhone Mail app not loading? Try these fixes. Refresh the Mail app. Open the Mail app and go to your inbox. Swipe down from the top of the inbox to refresh your emails. Wait a few seconds while Mail checks for new messages. If nothing loads, try refreshing once more. If the issue continues, swipe up from the bottom to open the app switcher. Find the Mail app and swipe it up to close it completely. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds, then tap the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. Wait for your iPhone to reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, reopen the Mail app and check if your emails are loading properly. If nothing loads, reconnect your email account. Open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select M. Select Mail from the list of apps. Tap Mail Accounts. Select the email account that isn't loading properly. Turn the Mail toggle off. Don't worry, this won't delete emails stored on your email provider's server. Wait a few seconds, then turn Mail back on. This refreshes the account's connection with the Mail app. Now, reopen Mail and check if your emails are loading again. If the problem continues, check your account settings. Here, select Account Settings. Check that your name and email address are correct. Next, tap Outgoing Mail Server. Make sure the primary outgoing server is enabled. Then go back and tap Advanced. Look for the incoming mail settings. Make sure Use SSL is turned on. These settings help your iPhone securely send and receive emails. Enable cellular data for mail. Go back to your mail settings. Make sure cellular data is turned on. If this setting is disabled and you're relying on cellular data, your emails may not load, so make sure this option is enabled. Turn off privacy protection temporarily. In the Mail Settings page, scroll down and tap Privacy Protection. Turn Protect Mail Activity off. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the Mail app. Refresh your inbox and check if your emails start loading. If Mail works normally again, return to Privacy Protection. Turn Protect Mail Activity back on and test Mail once more. If emails still aren't loading, reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and restore its network settings to their defaults. Once your iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open the Mail app and check if your emails are loading properly. If emails still aren't loading, re-add your email account. Open the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Use the alphabetical index on the right and select M. Select Mail from the list of apps. Tap Mail Accounts. Select the email account that isn't working properly. Tap Delete Account. Then select Delete Account to confirm. Once the account is removed, tap Add Account. Enter your account details and sign in again. Make sure Mail is enabled when choosing what you want to sync. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Release the side button. Wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. Now, open the Mail app and check if your emails are loading properly. Hopefully, one of these solutions fix the issue. And that's it.